You can make videos like this within minutes using Vidu AI, which has a capability of generating videos using text or image. Let's get into the video. Head over to Vidu.studio and you will see a clean user-friendly interface. This tool offers 64 credits. These are monthly credits you have. For each video it will cost 4 credits. So this is the interface. We have two options. One, we can generate video using a text, or we can generate video using image. These are some of my previous videos that I have generated. Let's generate a video using text. We have an option like inspire me, which automatically fills the prompt, but we are not using this prompt in this video. We are pasting our own prompt. Let's create a video using this. It will cost 4 credits for you. So this is our video. The video is a bit blurry. Luckily, we have an option to upscale our video. This tool offers upscale option. Let's upscale our video. So in upscale, it will give you two options like stable and creative, but by default it has a stable one and it will cost 4 credits same. Let's click on it. Our video is generated. Let's see the difference by placing both the videos side by side. In this, the change is not that much visible, but in this video you can see the upscaled version has a better color contraction, brightness, and the movement is also good. Let's generate a video using an image. Let's select any image. I'm selecting this one, dragon with a lady. Let's give the prompt as make the dragon come to life. So for image to video, we have two options. Use it as a first frame or use it for character reference. We are using the first one. So right now it has a heavy load. So we are trying the second option, which is use for character reference. Let's change our prompt. Make the woman walk in between New York Street. Let's generate a video. Our video is ready. The video looks good. The character is same. It even included the dragon, but it has a very low quality. Even the woman is also not in good quality. You can see there is a breakage in her face. Let's upscale this video. Now you can see the difference very clearly. The upscale version has a better clarity. So there you have it, folks. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't seen my previous video which I made on Kling AI, don't forget to check it out. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more AI content. See you in next video.